Welcome students. Today's class we are going to discuss about tuples. Tuples means it consists of number of values and it should be separated by comma and it is enclosed with parenthesis. List means it should be enclosed with square bracket, but tuples are enclosed with parenthesis. We are having some advantages of tuples over the list. The element of a list can be changeable, but in tuples elements cannot be changed, that is immutable. And list, as I already said, it should be enclosed with the square brackets, but tuples are enclosed with parenthesis. Iterating tuples are faster than the list, and compared to the list, tuples are faster while iteration. Next, we will see about how to create tuples in Python. The syntax for creating tuple is, for creating the empty tuple, we have to give the tuple name equal to parenthesis alone. This is called empty tuple. Next is syntax. Tuple name equal to, inside the parenthesis you have to give the elements, that is E1, E2, E3 dot dot En. It is given as again E2, it is E3. Okay. In your book it is wrongly given E1, E2, E3 should come. And third syntax, the tuple name equal to E1, E2, E3. No need to give the parenthesis. So, tuple will accept the elements without the parenthesis also. So, these are the three categories of syntax for creating the tuples. Let us see the example for tuples. My tuple 1 equal to, they have given some values 23, 56, 89 and A, E, I and Tamil. Now, we are printing the tuple in all the elements. So, we have printed all the elements. In the second example, parenthesis is not given. If you are printing the tuple without the parenthesis, it will show the parenthesis in the output because it is a tuple. Next, let us see how to create a tuple using the tuple function. In tuple function, we have a syntax, the tuple name equal to tuple of, inside the square bracket list element we have to give tuple parenthesis and then square bracket. Inside the square bracket inside the parenthesis one square bracket we have to give. Inside the square bracket we have to list the elements. Let us see the example for creating the tuple using tuple function. That is my tuple 3 equal to tuple of, that is inside the parenthesis, inside the square bracket, the elements given are 23, 45, 90. We are printing the tuples. Then one function is there that is called a type function. If you use this type function, what output we are getting means it will display the object of the given type. Okay, it gives the type of the given object, that is type of my tuple 3. It is a tuple, so it displays the output as class tuple. For creating the single element using the tuple, if you are creating single element, that is called singleton tuple. With one element it contains, so it is called as singleton tuple. We can add comma at the end of the element. If you are giving only one element alone, then it will show the type of the object. But if you are giving one element and then you are using comma, then it is called tuple, that is singleton tuple. Look at this example. That is my tuple 4 equal to 10. Only one element is there. We are asking for the type of this object So we are getting the output as int because integer value is given. I think you know about integer. Integer means it is a decimal number without whole number without the decimal point. And my tuple 5 equal to 10 comma, it is an element given with comma, so it has been considered as a tuple. So we are getting the output as tuple. Next we will access the values in the tuple. In this first example, we have given the elements entirely, the numbers, alphabets, that is characters, and float values also we have given. To access all the element of the tuple, we can give just printing the tuple 1, then all the elements of the tuple can be printed. Next example, we can access the particular element, selected element. We can access by using the indexes. That is, print tuple 1 of 2:5. 2 is the starting index and 5 is the ending index. Here in 0 index position 12 is there, first position 78 is there, second position 91. So 91 will be printed. Third position Tamil is printed. In fifth position there is Telugu is there, so Telugu is printed. So we are getting the output as 91 Tamil and then Telugu. Next example, we can access the first element up to the specified index value. That is, beginning value we have not yet given, that is ending value alone we have given, that is ending index position value we have given as 5. So from the starting 12, 78, 91, Tamil, Telugu, up to Telugu it is 5th position. So up to Telugu it has been printed. Next example, we can access the specified element up to the last element. That is, beginning value has been given but ending element is not given. So we can print the beginning value, that is 4. In 4th position Telugu is there. So it starts from Telugu and it ends up to Telugu 3.14, 69.48. Next example, that is accessing the first element to the last element, beginning to end. Just we are giving the colon alone, so it prints all the elements in the tuple. So by these examples you can clearly understand how to access the values in the tuple. And next we can update and delete the tuple. Tuples are immutable. The elements in the tuple cannot be changed. Immutable means it cannot be changed. But we can update and delete the tuples. Update means we can join the two tuples. Deleting means we can delete the entire tuple. Let us see the example for updation. Tuple 1, the element given is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And for tuple 2, it is given as 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So tuple 3 equal tuple 1 plus tuple 2. So 1 and 2 will be added. That is joined together, and we are getting the answer as 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So we are updated. Next, for deleting the entire tuple, we are using the command del, del. The syntax which is given is del tuple name. Simply we can give del and tuple name. The entire tuple will be deleted. In this example, tuple 1 equal 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and we are giving del tuple 1, the entire tuple will be deleted. Before deleting, we are printing the tuple element. So we are getting the answer. The elements of tuple 1 is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. After that, we have given del tuple 1. So the entire tuple will be deleted. Next, how the tuple values will be assigned if you are using more than one variable. It is given, that is A, B, C equal 34, 90 and 76. So first value will be assigned to A, and the second value will be assigned to B, and third will be assigned to C. So A, B, C, like that. We are also giving the value as 34, 90, 76, and we are printing means the same value will be printed. And also we can use the expression for the evaluation in assignment tuple, that is x, y, z, p equal to 2 star star 2. So 2 star star 2 means 2 to the power 2. So here we are getting the answer. It is given in red color. For understanding purpose I have changed the color. So we are getting the output as 4. Next, the expression given is 5/3 plus 4. So the expression is evaluated and we are getting the answer as 5.666. It is going on. So the output will be like this. And next expression given is 15 modulus 2. So the remainder of this value 15 divided by 2, we are getting the remainder 1. So the 1 will be printed. And 34 greater than 65. 34 is not greater than 65, so we are getting the answer false. So not only we are giving the value alone in assignment of the tuple, we can also give the expression for the tuple assignment. That only we can understand from this example. Next, returning the multiple values in the tuple, we can not return only one value in it. We can also return multiple values. By seeing this example, you can easily understand. Here we are returning both maximum and also the minimum values. Here we have used the function that is def. As we discussed in the previous lessons, def is the function name, function keyword we have used. After that function name is min max of n, a equal to max of n and b equal to min of n. Return a comma b. Num we have given the element as 12, 65, 84, 1, 18, 85 and then 99. So we are going to find the min value and also the max value and we are going to print the same thing. So we are getting the output as maximum value equal to, that is in this element 99 is the maximum, so we are getting the answer 99. And minimum value in the from the given element 1 is the minimum value, so it has been printed as minimum value equal to 1. So we have returned both minimum and maximum value in this program. Next, we are going to see about the nested tuple. I think you all know about what is meant by nested. That is, nested means tuples inside the another tuple, means that is called as nested tuple. So here we have used the for loop for the understanding of the nested tuple. Here it is given as toppers equal to, inside the parenthesis, one parenthesis is given, that is Vinodini 12F 98.7, comma, after that one parenthesis there, Soundarya 12H 97.5 and one more parenthesis, the name is given and one more is given. So 4 different tuples are given inside one tuple. So this is called nested tuple and we are printing the each tuple separately, that is Vinodini, Soundarya, Dharani and Sayasri. So inside the tuple, another one tuple has been defined. This is called nested tuple. Okay, I think you have understand about the tuples from this. Let us see another example for the tuple, that is what are all the functions which you have used in the list has also been used in this program. First we are getting the input from the user 54 for A and 38 for B, and then we are printing the value, first given value as A equal to 54 and B equal to 38. But after that we are giving A comma B equal to B comma A. So here the swapping is happening. But in list we are using swap case function. But here we are using just giving A comma B equal to B comma A. So B value will be assigned to A and A value will be assigned to B. So finally we are getting the output as A 38 and B 54. So here we are, instead of using swap function, by using the tuple we can do this one. Okay, I think you have understand this one. In the next class we are going to discuss about sets in Python. Thank you.